What if I told you that right now, your car might be acting up? Rough, idle, random warning lights, poor fuel economy, and you could fix it instantly with one simple move that costs absolutely nothing. No trip to the mechanic, no expensive diagnostic, no fancy tool, just a reset that most drivers don't even know exists. Mechanics use it all the time. Dealerships rely on it before they charge you hundreds. But regular drivers? They're left in the dark. Stick with me, because in this video, I'm going to reveal how this zero-cost reset works, why it solves more problems than you think, and the one mistake you must avoid when doing it. And by the end, you'll either feel like a genius or kick yourself for never doing it sooner. 1. Why modern cars act weird. Without warning. Unlike older cars, modern vehicles are computers on wheels. Your engine, transmission, fuel system, and even your brakes are controlled by a network of ECUs, electronic control units. Over time, these ECUs learn your driving habits, compensate for wear, and adapt fuel trims, idle speeds, and shift points. Sounds smart, right? But here's the catch. If you change parts, like spark plugs, sensors, or injectors, without resetting the system, the ECU may keep running old data. If carbon builds up or fuel quality changes, the ECU might learn bad habits. Even a weak battery or electrical glitch can send the ECU into a confused state. The result? Rough running, hesitation, bad MPG, or warning lights, all without a true mechanical failure. 2. The simple move, ECU reset. Here's the secret mechanics don't advertise. Most of these issues can be fixed by performing a hard reset of the ECU. This clears the adaptive memory and forces the car to relearn using fresh, accurate data. And yes, it's free. You don't need a scan tool, though professionals often use them for precision. The basic DIY move? Disconnecting your car's negative battery terminal for a set amount of time. 3. How this works. Without jargon. Think of your ECU like a smartphone that's been running non-stop for months. Apps, fuel trims, idle adjustments, shift maps. Keep running in the background until performance slows down. What's the fix? A reset. Clear the memory, restart clean. When you reset the ECU, fuel trims are erased and relearned. Idle speed control resets to factory base. Transmission shift points are recalibrated. Error codes, not hard faults, are cleared. That's why something as simple as disconnecting the battery can make a rough-running car suddenly feel smoother. 4. The professional twist dealerships do this all the time. After replacing sensors, installing a new battery, or performing service, they use a scan tool to reset the ECU. But here's the kicker. They'll often charge you $120 to $200 for a reprogramming that's essentially a glorified reset. Fleet mechanics laugh about this. They know that pulling the battery cable, or in some models, using the fuse box reset, achieves the same thing. 5. The right way to do it, step by step. Not all resets are equal. If you want to do this safely and correctly, here's the proven method. Turn off ignition and remove the key. Disconnect the negative battery terminal, 10 mm to a wrench usually. Press the brake pedal for 10-20 seconds. This drains residual charge from capacitors. Wait 15-30 minutes. For stubborn cases, some pros wait up to an hour. Reconnect the terminal, tighten it securely, and start the car. When it starts, let the engine idle for 5 to 10 minutes with no accessories on. This helps the ECU relearn baseline idle, then drive normally for a few cycles. 6. What this fixes instantly. Here's where the magic happens. A simple ECU reset can fix rough or unstable idle after parts replacement, poor gas mileage from bad adaptive fuel trims, transmission hunting or harsh shifting, random check engine lights after non-critical glitches, stalling or hesitation caused by incorrect learned values. And the best part? If the problem was just corrupted memory, your car runs like new. If the issue is deeper, like a failed sensor, the reset clears false data, making diagnosis easier. 7. The psychology of the free fix. Here's why most drivers don't try this. We've been conditioned to believe car problems, Shimko's expensive fixes. So when something feels off, people rush to the shop and open their wallets. But the truth? Many problems are electronic hiccups. Mechanics know it, and they'll reset first before doing anything else. If the car behaves, they call it fixed. If not, then they dig deeper. The psychology lesson here: never assume expensive until you've tried the free solution. 8. The one mistake that can cost you. While this hack is free and simple, there's one mistake that can actually make things worse: disconnecting the battery without securing your radio codes, seat memory, or electronic settings. Some vehicles, especially luxury brands, lock the infotainment system after a reset. Pro tip: before disconnecting, check your manual or save your radio station security codes. In newer models, a scan tool reset is safer because it clears ECU memory without wiping unrelated settings. 9. Advanced reset methods, mechanics. Not all resets are done by pulling the battery. Professional mechanics often use OBD2 scan tools to selectively reset modules. Throttle. Body reset. Restores smooth idle after cleaning or replacement. Transmission adaptive reset. Fixes harsh or erratic shifts. Fuel trim reset. Improves mileage after replacing injectors or O2 sensors. The point? One reset isn't always enough. Modern cars have multiple ECUs, and each one can learn bad habits. A good scan tool, even a $40 one from Amazon, lets you reset more precisely. 10. Surprising systems that benefit from a reset. Most people think resets only affect the engine, but in reality, other systems also recalibrate. ABS traction control may clear false wheel speed sensor glitches. Power steering, EPS, reset steering angle sensors for smoother assist. Climate control can recalibrate actuators that get stuck on wrong settings. Battery management systems, important for hybrids and start-stop vehicles, where the ECU monitors charging cycles. That's why you'll hear mechanics say, half of weird car problems vanish after a reset. 11. Real-world success stories. A Chevy Silverado owner had jerky shifts after a transmission fluid change. Dealer quoted $2,000 for a valve body replacement. A simple adaptive reset? Fixed in 10 minutes. A BMW 3 Series was idling rough after a new MAF sensor. Customer panicked. Mechanic reset the ECU, car ran perfectly. A Toyota Camry hybrid threw multiple warning lights after a weak battery. Reset cleared the confusion. Zero cost, zero parts. These aren't rare miracles. They happen every single day in repair shops. 12. Why most drivers never hear about this. Here's the harsh truth. Dealerships and some shops won't tell you about resets because, why would they? If they can charge you $150 to diagnose and fix a problem that takes 10 minutes to reset, that's profit. Meanwhile, longtime independent mechanics will often do it for free or throw it in with an oil change. Why? Because they care about long-term customer trust, not just today's paycheck. 13. Resetting versus masking the problem. Now, let's be clear. A reset is not magic. If you have a bad sensor, clogged injector, or mechanical wear, a reset won't repair it. What it does is clear false data and give you a clean slate. If the issue comes back after a reset, that's your clue the problem is real. In other words, a reset separates glitch from failure, and that can save you thousands in unnecessary parts replacement. 14. How to make it part of your routine. Here's the smart way to use this hack. After major repairs or part replacements, plugs, sensors, injectors, after battery replacement or electrical issues, when performance feels off with no clear cause, once or twice a year as preventive maintenance, just like clearing cache on your phone. Consistency keeps your ECU adaptive learning fresh and prevents long-term bad data from compounding into drivability issues. So here's the truth. Cars today are rolling computers, and just like your laptop or phone, sometimes all they need is a reset. That one simple move, disconnecting the battery or using a scan tool, can save you from unnecessary panic, expensive misdiagnoses, and even thousands in bogus repair bills. It's free, it's fast, and it works more often than most people realize. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever fixed a car issue just by resetting it? Did it feel like magic? Or did the problem come right back? Share your story in the comments, because real driver experiences are what help this community save money and stay smart on the road.